Hello, hello, all you beautiful faces. And so today you get to see the hands, you get to see what's in this box. My back is out today, so I'm literally sitting in bed doing this video from my bed today. But the box came in the mail, so I wanted to go ahead and get that up for you guys to see. So I'm going to open it up and you guys are going to see it with me. This is what the box looks like when you open it up. This is the Glow Addict beauty box. It actually is $18.99. I think it honestly has shipping as well. It's pretty much the cost of Boxy Charm. So let's see if it's worth the price of Boxy Charm. So the first thing I see is a Kaz Cosmetics. I'm guessing this is it says Luxe Lip Treatment. I don't know what. I'm opening it. I have not seen this, so you guys are seeing it with me. And I've never heard of Kaz Cosmetics. Oh gosh. Okay, so I guess this is just something for your lips. It looks like it's got little gold flecks in it. I don't know if you guys can see it. But there are tiny little gold flecks in it with lots of air bubbles. It looks just like a gel. Let's see how it feels. It feels kind of, it's not sticky, but it feels kind of like, I don't know, it's just like almost like a lip oil is what it feels like to me. So that's not bad. I mean, it's not something I get all excited about, but I could really use something like that at night, so that's an okay product. So the next thing I see is a Ruby May Cosmetics Cream Concealer and Contouring Palette. Yeah, I can already tell you, I already know I'm not gonna like this. Yep. And I don't. This is what it looks like. It has the green, purple, which actually looks really purpley, an orange. This is like a cinnamon, a brown, and then a paler color. The pale looks really dark, so it doesn't, I don't use things like this at all. This will end up going in a giveaway, and this does not thrill me to get not even in the slightest. So that to me is just not that great at all. These are Zola lashes. They look pretty. The length looks good. They look like they've got good curl. When you want to see if a lash is good, turn it to the side. The thing about this that looks weird to me is that there's layers, and natural lashes don't stick up on the top. Like, they don't look natural to me. They look like they're fluffed out. Like, it looks like I'm gonna try them because I use lashes, but they're not what I would naturally gravitate towards because of the fact that they look like they've got layers, and it doesn't look like natural lashes on your eyes. I like my lashes to look like my eyelashes, not some fake, thing. I don't want to look like I've got big caterpillar on my eyes. So this is Kaz Cosmetics again, a single eyeshadow. This doesn't thrill me. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like single eyeshadows, even though I have a little thing that I can put this in. The color is beautiful. It's like a teal blue. It's really a beautiful teal. But I don't reach for single shadows, and honestly, I opted for the more expensive box because I like palettes, not because I didn't pick the less expensive box from Glow Cosmetics, because they do have one that's $13 that is like an Ipsy, where you get things like this. So I wasn't expecting single shadows, and that honestly disappoints me. You guys know I'm going to tell you the truth. It's my money. I pay for the stuff, so I'm going to tell you how I see it. It's not that I'm not grateful for these things. Don't judge me and start being, you know, rude. But this is a super duper bright pumpkin. That's what I would call this, a true pumpkin orange. A little bit brighter, I think, than what I would typically wear. These will go into giveaways most likely because I have enough single shadows, and I literally have my thing full. I'm not really interested in popping them out either because it's just too much for me. But we got an Appeal pigment. I don't know if it was them or someone else that sent this, but it was the worst pigment I've ever used in my life. It had zero pigmentation, wet or dry. So let's see if this is any better. I'm not gonna lie, I don't have high hopes. But because it's a shimmer, I'm hoping it's gonna be better, but I don't know if you guys can see that. It does look like it's going on a little bit. I don't want to get it on my bed, and it's hard to lean. I'm sorry, you guys, my back is hurting. This is much better than the gray was. I'm not gonna lie, it is better. So I guess this would probably be my favorite item so far. Surprisingly, considering the gray that I got from them was the worst I've ever seen, and to me it's really hard to mess up a loose pigment. But oh shoot, and I just got it all over my bed. But the last, well, not the last thing, but the next thing in the box is the Ruby May Ready Set Glow. This is a shimmer spray. This is a pretty good sized bottle. There's the size of my hand, so you can see. This is okay. I mean, this isn't, I'll have to read the ingredients. You guys know I have lupus. I can't just spray anything on my body even though I want to, because I literally have reactions to it. So although I am pretty excited to get this, it's not something I gravitate towards just because of the chemicals. Now if I wasn't sick, I'd be all over these shimmer sprays, but unfortunately because of this disease I can't choose a lot of things like this that other girls can just pick up and choose. But I do like it, and I do think it's a great item. What I'm noticing, you guys, is that there is no card in my box telling me what I got, what these are supposed to be worth, which is really a disappointment to me. And here's a bag. The bag is cute. It's canvas. It's very good quality. I'm trying not to get the shimmer on it. It's lined on the inside, which is nice, but I don't want bags in my other beauty boxes because I get 2 Ipsy bags. I have enough bags to last me 20 years. So this doesn't thrill me. Although this is one of the prettiest and cutest, I like the style of it. It is just not something I use because, as you guys know, I'm sick. I don't get out, so I don't travel. The only place I travel to is my mom's, and that is really few and far between in itself. But this is the Glow Addict beauty box. Again, you get the bag, you get the eyelashes, you get the Appeal shadow, shimmer shadow, you get the single shadow in cinnamon, the single shadow in teal, the Ruby May correcting palette and then the lip treatment oil, and the Ruby May spray. Now look, this is a lot of products, but how I see it is it stuff that I would pick out on my own. Could I do better than this on eBay? I honestly rate all of my boxes compared to how I shop on eBay. I'm sorry, there's this low plane flying by. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it sounds like it's literally trying to land in my field. Look, I know that this is a good value for what I paid, but honestly, I feel like I could get this on eBay probably maybe less than what I've gotten this for. And this is just not something, if I saw this box, honestly, before I applied, I would not have gotten this box. I'm just going to tell you guys the truth. I think it's a value for the money. Please don't misunderstand. But it's just not, this is just not stuff I gravitate towards. I love the lashes. I'm going to use the lashes. I will use the lip treatment. I will use this. I will spot test this to see if I have a reaction, but I've been sick for 13 years, you guys, so I know what bothers me, and the single shadows just don't thrill me when you think when you're getting the more expensive box that maybe you're going to get a palette. But for the price, it's a pretty good value. It's just not something that is just tickling my fancy, let's put it that way. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I mean, you guys reap the benefits of the things that I don't like anyway, so there, you can think about it that way. But I love you guys. I hope you guys are feeling better than me, and I hope you have an amazing rest of the week. Blessings.